Welcome back to Auto Odyssey. Today we're diving into the stunning 2025 Maserati Quattroporte Trofeo, focusing solely on its exterior design, performance, and key features. A true masterpiece of Italian craftsmanship, the Maserati Quattroporte Trofeo represents the pinnacle of luxury sedans, with a striking blend of elegance, power, and innovation. First, let's talk about the front end, where Maserati's iconic trident logo takes center stage. Embedded in the sharp, vertical grille, the grille itself is bold, flanked by sleek, narrow headlights that incorporate the brand's signature boomerang-led design. These headlights not only enhance the car's aggressive stance but also improve nighttime visibility with precision. The front bumper has been carefully sculpted to accentuate the car's performance capabilities, with larger air intakes that hint at the power beneath the hood. Moving along the sides, the 2025 Quattroporte Trofeo features elegant, flowing lines that give the car a sense of motion even when it's stationary. The sculpted bodywork creates a striking contrast between smooth curves and sharp angles, contributing to its aerodynamic profile. Large, multi-spoke wheels in dark finishes add an athletic flair, while the chrome window surrounds and side sills provide a touch of refinement. This dynamic design not only enhances aesthetics but also plays a crucial role in reducing drag, improving overall efficiency at high speeds. At the rear, the Trofeo's bold design elements continue, with aggressive quad exhaust outlets set within a sculpted diffuser. The rear taillights, with their intricate LED patterns, echo the boomerang theme from the front, completing the car's signature look. The rear deck lid is slightly raised, adding a touch of sportiness, while the overall stance exudes a sense of purpose and performance. Speaking of performance, the Quattroporte Trofeo's exterior design isn't just about looks, it's engineered for aerodynamic efficiency. The smooth contours and carefully positioned vents help channel air around the car, reducing lift and enhancing stability at high speeds. Maserati's commitment to performance is evident in every detail, from the aggressive front fascia to the precisely engineered rear diffuser. Finally, let's talk about the color options. Maserati offers a stunning array of exterior finishes, from classic shades like Bianco Alpi to more dynamic options like the Trofeo-specific Roast Magma. Each color is designed to highlight the car's curves and sharp lines, ensuring that the Quattroporte Trofeo turns heads wherever it goes. That's a look at the exterior of the 2025 Maserati Quattroporte Trofeo, a perfect combination of style, performance, and Italian heritage. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews here on Auto Odyssey.